Alright, you guys, we're taking Nathan home in the middle of the storm, and it's very bad. Probably a really stupid idea.
Jeremy thinks it's really bad.
Oh boy. Mommy thinks it's really bad, but not as bad as when we were kids.
My pants are soaking wet now.
Come on, baby car, you can go up.
She's only second do it. She's not going to do it too
Oh,
fast.
I thought you were. I like being the first person to drive in the snow.
Car.
Damn.
Dag nabbit. It's a car. Here we go.
Man, the second person to drive in the snow.
Not right around the corner in case.
Ellen,
Blowy is blowy.
Still a bit cold, but you can leave it off if you want.
Oh, it's still on too, so it'll.
Oh, you guys are. There's that car. We're not the only people in the world.
Somebody looks like they've been walking down here.
kind of does, doesn't it?
That is dumb to walk out here at a night like this. Boy, were they wrong. Rain.
Rain, yeah.
I'm happy for this. The rain would have been nasty.
Yes, me. I'm happy about it too. This is the second time this week that they've been wrong about it. Airplane coming in. Oh! Oh!
It's like being on Star Wars.
Oh, where? In Tatooine?
No, when you're going through the...
Oh, the new Star Wars?
No. When you're going through the... What?
Oh,
No,
Hoth.
when you're in the Falcon and you're about to hybrid jump.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, hyperdrive. Is that it?
Yes.
Is that a plow?
No. Hoth. Yeah, Tatooine is where what's-her-face is from. Leia.
No.
Oh, no, it's Tatooine is where Yoda's from.
And Luke. No.
Okay,
Tatooine is where Luke is from.
And Anakin are from.
Oh, right, okay. Well, what planet is Yoda from?
I'm not so sure.
The Dagobah system.
All right, so we just dropped off the kid. I know you cannot see me. Let's see here. There I am. And we're gonna head home and try to get off this hill. So
Off the window, like you
Here's
got
a-
mad at me. Yes, you did.
there's
Don't
a
lie.
thumb right there.
Liar.
We are stuck.
Oh well.
Why don't you just go down the bottom of the
Robert
hill?
will come and push us. Now try it.
For crying out loud, no wonder I'm not going anywhere.
Your parking brake on.
It's the exclamation mark for it.
What?
Just for fun. Must have read it. A whole lot easier.
So much for snow tires.
Anyone coming either way, guys, please?
I can't tell my way to the house.
Yeah, same here.
We're not even at the end of the road.
No, I know that. I want you to keep watching in case someone's coming around the corner. Look for lights and stuff.
I'm trying to, but there's a house.
There's no lights my way. Well, now there is.
Shall we? We're down here.
Worse.
Worser and worser.
A hydro truck.
We should put plows on the front of a hydro truck. That'd be a good idea, actually, don't you think?
It should be allowed for the guys that do the driveways to plow the road when you're going.
Some of them aren't big enough to do that, though.
Yeah, they risk getting themselves stuck. And that creates a bigger problem.
They could do it. Somebody's done our street before. Just one swipe. Last year we could only get one car at a time up the road.
There's a squirrel in the clothespin thing. Okay, that's not gonna do anything. Open it up. Oh, it's in there. Come on, idiot dog. You're taller.
Go get it.
Get away.
Just a minute. Watch. I'll do something here. Just keep watching it.
Don't do that.
I'm not killing it. I just there's ice right here.
Now you're just gonna break it.
It's broken anyway.
No, your broom. You want me to get my paint? You want me to get my paintball gun?
How are you gonna shoot it in there? Come on, Mixie. Abby, come on.
There you go. Did it survive?
It's gone.
Did it survive the drop?
What's that?
Did it survive the drop?
Yeah, it's gone.
Oh man. Good morning, everybody. First off, health update. Never went to the doctor. It's feeling so much better. Still feel a bit funny there, but it is so much better. At night after dinner, I would get so bloated. I didn't eat a lot. It just sucked. Now it's getting better. I can breathe again. I don't feel sick every time. Anyway, so Saturday night, we drove Nathan home. As you see, it was terrible out there. It was nasty. I came for the ride in case someone was in the ditch, but nothing was in the ditch. But we just get stuck on the road. But yeah, it was crazy out there, and I think we got about maybe 25 centimeters of snow. As you can see, almost over lots of traps. We built a snowman yesterday. And me and Devin at some point are going to go sledding on their driveway. I just gotta patch up a few stony areas with some snow. So it doesn't kill our butts and knees. But anyways, then this morning, the squirrel was on our deck and it went in the laundry thing where the clothes pegs are and got stuck. I wasn't gonna shoot the paintball gun, don't worry about that. I have shot one with a paintball gun. That guy was stealing all our bird feed for the birds in the winter. So, finally had enough. The trees buds on them already, or is it just me? I think it's just me. Anyway, so where were we? Yes, the squirrel was stealing our seed. We had enough. That branch right there, he was right in there. And all those sticks are in the way. Paintball guns don't have the best aim, so I shot it. And I shot it, first shot, and it fell all the way down and died. So yeah, lately we've been catching them for rat traps and stuff, but we don't really need to. We're trying to get rats. Anyway, so like the show in Toronto was awesome. Like, Sunday's show was better. It's always better. They can destroy stuff more and stuff. And yeah, I had a friend go. We used to go all the time. We used to do ticket group stuff, so they're cheaper, and we would meet at the subway in the morning or afternoon and take the subway all downtown Toronto and we'll go to the show there and stuff. But she likes to go to Saturday shows, and ever since going to my first Sunday show, I don't like it. I like the Sunday shows better. It's not late at night, and you do gotta get up a bit earlier, but it's worth it, all the damage and stuff. Only one truck did a backflip, so that was on Sunday. So that ramp was kind of useless, but yeah. It is weird. Like, yeah, anyway, so I had my friend there again this year, and her son was posting videos on Instagram. I don't have Instagram, but I got just to watch those, and she was posting updates and stuff. It was really good. It was nice. Then yesterday, some guy went to the both shows, and he was posting stuff as well on this monster truck group. And when each event comes up, they make a thread, and you can post all the information, videos, pictures if you're there, post the results and stuff. So that's pretty awesome. What else is there to talk about? Oh yes, my sister is getting rid of this, so I took it. It's not an hourglass, it's like 45 minutes, but it gets stuck halfway. It's from my old work and stuff, and she just needed a room with the new one coming soon. And yeah, so today we're going to go sledding, and I think that's it. What day is it? Oh yeah, tomorrow my mom gets her teeth surgery. She's crazy, she doesn't want it. I am not going to film her aftermath. Don't even ask me. I'm not going to be that mean. Okay. I don't think it's even wisdom teeth. It's just some bad teeth she has. And there's only 2, so she won't be near as long as I was. And the recovering will be much better than hers. Mine. Ugh. Anyway, so yeah. I don't know if I'm going with her or not, because what happens is you I'm trying to hold this up a bit more for you guys. I noticed I've been going like this slow. I gotta try to hold it up more. I noticed when I was recovering, it took me to a recovery room and only one person, that won't work, only one person was allowed in the recovery room, and the other person had to stay out and get the car. So she didn't want to be alone in the recovery room because my dad has to get the car and stuff. So seeing if she wants me to go and stuff, but yeah, who knows. Just don't bite your lip like I did. I paid the price. Let me tell you, that sucks. And of course, you know, I want to go to the show so bad this year. And just sitting on the sofa and a commercial comes up for it, like, really? It was like for the whole Canada tour dates and stuff. Came up with Halifax. And I already got mine. I have to book a hotel soon too, I guess. Hotel roomie. What was I gonna say again? I'm probably not gonna take my laptop this year. I'm probably just gonna, or should I? I don't know. Maybe I'll get like 3 memory sticks and stuff. And this one's day 1, or show 1, show 2, and show 3. Last year, it rained, my laptop did get wet. And, everything got wet that I had, so that really sucked. That show really sucked. I left in the middle of it, like, 20 minutes after it started, because it was just downpouring. It was like, it dropped to like -1, it was freezing. So yeah, what am I even looking for? I'm tired. So yeah, Pittsburgh finally won last night against Carolina. And hopefully the winning starts there, because they really got to get themselves going. But anyways, so that's it for now. Alrighty, so we are heading the long way home.
What the heck is this man doing? Oh, this is the stupidest arrangement for talking lots.
I got a question for Steve. Do you have any of these left over?
I bet he does not. They're so good, I beat that whole box.
It's getting dark over there.
There's a snowstorm coming.
Again?
Well, not really a storm, I guess.
Whatever.
Big snow. Oh, I got my face full of a Kit Kat. Boy. Ooh, it's high tide today. There's cormorants out there still. Don't run over the man with the skinny legs. Maybe that sea king will come back over.
Maybe.
Oh, there's a boat for sale. Tahitian Dreams. We can sail from here to Tahiti. This part is paved.
I don't like it.
No, it's pretty sandy.
It's really sandy, holy crap.
Why don't they do this on our road? Because we're not on a hill right beside the ocean where we could go over the cliff and end up in the drink.
Yep, exactly.
Not a thing in sight. So far.
Any mountains, water, ice things.
Waterfalls, frozen waterfalls?
Yeah.
There's one.
There's a bigger one here, I can see it.
Yes, I do see it. And a tree fell down the hill. Go climb that.
No, thank you.
Go lick it, I dare you.
No, thank you.
Let's go over here and see if we see anything. Porpoises.
There's a car coming.
Well, he's just gonna have to look out for me, Buster. Ooh, is this close to the water? Too close for me? There's not even a container ship in today. Nothing.
Ship in the oil yard.
Oh, what am I doing? Okay. Yes, that's true. That's true, there is no sea king. Oh, he's in there. I thought he was way out here.
Oh, this is a boring trip. It's nothing.
Don't say that, because anytime we say that, something really crazy happens.
It's no big waves, no boats.
Is the Devil's Island Lighthouse still out there?
I can't tell.
I think it is.
I'll zoom up and try.
I don't even see any buoys out there for For the lobster.
Where it is.
There's no birds. Oh, there's a buoy. An orange buoy.
And there's no birds.
There's a buoy. There's a
What?
buoy.
Okay, there is something way up there.
Way out on the horizon up there. There's a buoy. A big fishing buoy. Or, I
Yeah,
mean,
there is a boat out there.
Is it a lobster boat?
I can't tell.
Oh,
It's too
way
far.
over there. Oh. Oh, yeah, I can't tell either. My eyes ain't.
But, hey, look. There's proof that the ocean freezes over.
Yes, indeed. It does. Can you see it okay? Oh, that stupid snow.
There, I
There.
got it. Right
It's frozen out a lot further than this year than it normally does.
there.
But you can't walk on it.
No. Oh, you could last year.
Yeah, you could last year.
Yes, I know the phone's ringing. Somebody from Ontario. It's unknown name, so I don't know who it is. I'm not gonna pick it up. It's probably some salesperson anyways. So that's like probably my papa. He normally calls around this time. Just got home and gonna go sledding, but I'm not gonna film it because I think I have enough for you guys for today. So, and of course we saw no ships, right? Get to the top of our driveway, you see a ship coming in. Like, oh, really? Anyway, so my health kind of went down, like, before I left. I just started feeling, again, so I'm getting better again. I don't know. Getting really tired of this. I'm just hoping it's not something, like bad, like, extremely bad, you know? But yeah, waiting for Devin to get the dog the bath because she did something on the sofa, and yeah, so that's it for now. Alright, you guys, that's 5:30. That's it for today. Not too sure when I get another one up because I'll be helping Mom and stuff, but I'll try my best. Starting a little late here tonight. Just watching some stuff on YouTube and yeah. Oh man. Anyway, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.